To show or hide paragraph mark and other formatting symbols in Word Microsoft 365, open Microsoft 365. And then open your Word document, for example, this document. Next, uh, click or tap uh, paragraph symbol icon to show, or tap again to hide. Or you can press Ctrl plus H key. If you cannot find paragraph symbol in here, if you in other tab, for example in view, you must go to home, tap home, and then tap paragraph icon to show or hide paragraph, paragraph marks, and other for hidden formatting symbols. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.